I want to take a few minutes in this video and share with you the differences between the 18 and 26L Backlight bags. And remind you that you could win this bag as part of an epic giveaway that is happening right now for just a couple more days. All of the details are at photorec.tv/win, but it's over a $10,000 prize package, which includes a brand new full frame camera and an awesome winter adventure to Yellowstone National Park. Now this here is the 26L Backlight bag. It has been my camera bag for almost 3 years. It's traveled with me around the world and I love it. I've got a full review. I'll link that right down below along with the giveaway. It's comfortable, holds the amount of gear that I want to carry on my back. If I needed to carry more, you'd probably find me using a roller bag. The access to that gear is against my back, which makes me feel very secure in crowded situations and still allows access to the gear without setting the bag down. It offers a slot for my 15-inch laptop and large side pockets that work great for tripods, water bottles, and, well, even drones. And it all fits under a standard airplane seat. Now that is fantastic peace of mind when flying. Not too long ago, ThinkTank released this, the 18L. It's a smaller version, and I wanted to share just a few key differences, starting with the obvious. The 18L is smaller. I mean, it offers just 2 columns of gear storage internally, where the 26L offers 3, though it isn't a full 3rd column. It is also a little shorter, and the laptop pocket is limited to just a 13-inch laptop. Now, the stated difference capacity for these two is the 26L will hold the DSLR and 4 to 6 lenses and flash, while the 18L will hold the DSLR and 2 to 3 lenses along with a flash. ThinkTank also offers a 36L, a 36-liter bag, which, well, when you have a backpack that holds that much, I find that I fill it up to the brim. And I've learned that I'm just not that happy carrying that much weight on my back. I think the capacity and weight when full of the 18 and 26 are much more manageable. I hope this quick look at these two bags can help you make a decision. I know finding the perfect camera bag is difficult. I have a lot of bag choices. There are a lot of companies out there that want to and have sent me bags over the years, and I just keep coming back to this Backlight 26L being the perfect capacity, feature set, and comfort for me. If you carry a little less gear, I'm happy to recommend the 18L for you. If you found this quick look helpful, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for additional gear reviews, tips, tricks, and photography adventures. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to enter that giveaway. Bye-bye.